I see people on social media putting some trend or tag or whatever it is there on Twitter. They are trending boycott Brahmastra, boycott this, boycott that. I think now high time for all the Indians and all the people of India. It's high time. New thing has come to boycott. That is the most hyped up league in the whole world. The IPL, the so-called IPL. It has now time has come now to boycott this league. Time has come now. Use the same energy whatever you are using for boycotting this film, that film and all. Use it for boycotting this IPL, yaar. Limits has been crossed. Limits has been crossed. Our BCCI president Dada is saying that IPL is generating more revenue than Premier League, it seems. IPL is generating more revenue than Premier League, it seems. So what we should do? At the cost of what? At the cost of what? Getting embarrassed and humiliated by Sri Lanka team. This Sri Lanka team that has not yet qualified for the World T20. 2 महीने के बाद T20 वर्ल्ड कप है और श्रीलंका ने अभी तक क्वालिफाई नहीं किया है. श्रीलंका को क्वालिफायर खेलना चाहिए. इस टीम के साथ हार गया दोस्तों. इस टीम के साथ हार गया. No, it has reached the limits. It has reached the limits. It has reached all the heights. Now it has reached all the heights. This is what happened. This is what happens when you prioritize an overrated league. All the focus goes on to that league and Team India goes down the dustbin. That's it. Goes down the dustbin. I have boycotted this IPL from the last 2 years itself. I was against this one 2 years or 3 years itself. पहले बहुत मजा आता था, बहुत बैंटर होता था. अभी पक गया यार, पक गया. बहुत हो गया अभी. लिमिट अभी सर के ऊपर से चढ़ गया. पहले 8 टीम होता था. पहले 8 टीमों होता था, अभी 10 टीम लगा दिया. बाद में ये लोग 15 टीम लगा देंगे और 2-2 सीजन रख देंगे और इंडिया टीम का बैंड बजा देंगे ये लोग ऑफिशियल्स. अगर अभी एक्शन नहीं लिया तो इंडिया का टीम का हालत बहुत खराब होने वाला है. बहुत खराब होने वाला है. टीम इंडिया विल बी डूम्ड. आई एम टेलिंग यू, it will be doomed seriously if action is not taken now. Limits has been crossed. Yeah, limits has been crossed. हद होता है यार, हद होता है. We have made this Kushal Mendis prime Mahela Jayawardene and right-hander, another youngster who is there. I don't even know his name. We have turned him into prime right-hander Jayasuriya. We have turned him into. Then another left-armer seamer is there. I don't even know his name. Simple line and length is bowling, wicket to wicket is bowling. We turned him into one prime Wasim Akram by playing rubbish shots. Our batsmen have turned into prime Wasim Akram. Then Karunaratne and this Shanaka, whoever it is there, we have made him turn into bloody prime Andrew Flintoff and prime Jack Callis. We have made those 2 novice all-rounders of Sri Lanka into those type of players. We have turned them into. अरे हद है यार, हद है. एक लिमिट होता है, एक लिमिट होता है. England tour, which was a vital tour. India was in the front foot. We have postponed that tour. Why? Because we have to play IPL in the next 15 days. That's why you have to cancel the tour. Why? Because some people have got COVID. Ranji season, yeah, Ranji Trophy, mid-season it is getting postponed. Why? Because we have to keep IPL slot in between. What is this? मतलब क्या हो रहा है? मतलब क्या चुतियापा हो रहा है? आजकल मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? At the cost of what? If IPL is developing our team, then I could understand. Yes, if you are world beaters, if you are unbeaten in the T20 World Cup, we have won World Cup, we have won everything in the last 5-6 years, then I would have understood. Yeah, IPL is changing Indian cricket. It is ruining Indian cricket now. Players are getting injured. So-called players are getting injured, but they are getting full payment. And when they have to play for the IPL, they are playing all the matches of IPL, qualifiers, eliminators, all the league matches, every matches they are playing, they are available. But when it comes to Team India, they are saying, oh जी मेरा injury हो गया, oh जी मेरा fitness में issues है, oh जी ये जी वो जी, हाँ जी ना जी, यही हो रहा है. And this Hardik Pandya is there. Serious question needs to be asked. Seriously, he performed really well in the first match. First match he played really, he was a match winner for India. I agree with that fully. So I thought that he's bowling 4 overs, brilliant. After a long time he's bowling 4 overs. Then they are saying that, oh, you don't watch cricket. He's bowling 4 overs for Gujarat Titans. He played match winning and they won the IPL and everything. And some people are writing comments that Hardik Pandya from villain to hero. Like last in the Asia Cup, in this time only, this Star Sports broadcaster are broadcasting that Hardik Pandya was injured. Career-threatening injury happened in 2019 or something, or 2018. I don't know, Asia Cup it has happened. Then he faced a career-threatening injury he has faced. But and he was missing for some matches. He was missing, like he was missing, and he missed a lot of twos and everything. But the same Hardik Pandya played from last 7 seasons of IPL. If you see last 7 or 8 seasons of IPL, he has played all the seasons of IPL. He has played 14 matches. He has played. Yes, he didn't bowl in IPL some of the seasons, but he played all the seasons of IPL. He has played 14-15 matches. He has played. So for IPL, he's not missing out or anything. IPL is not missing out. So why is he missing out for Team India? That question needs to be asked. For franchisee, these players are giving 200%, but for Indian cricket, they are not even giving 70-80%. So this is the question needs to be asked. They are making this new novice bowler into prime Wasim Akram, and that bowler is getting just a bit of in swing and he's bowling wicket to wicket, and we are giving him 3 wickets at the economy of 6, and our bowlers are getting hammered and pampered in the power play overs. So this is the development IPL has brought into our cricket, dosto. This is the development. Lauda development they have brought in. Lauda development. First initial starting, IPL was good. IPL was basically a reward. Basically a reward because our Team India in 2007 World Cup, I say repeatedly that they were underdogs and they have achieved out of the ordinary and won the World Cup in 2007. That only T20 World Cup India has ever won. Out of nowhere we have won that one. So as a reward, BCI has awarded this IPL. And it has gone on to for on and on and on. Now 15 season it is going on and on and on. Now priorities are given to IPL more than Indian cricket. This is absolutely rubbish. This is an absolute embarrassment. It's an absolute humiliation. Come on now, come on. Now serious question needs to be asked. Yesterday, seriously, I really don't understand what type of team selection is going on. What type of coaching is going on. Seriously, I don't understand. Seriously, Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma, strict question needs to be asked. Why yesterday's match, seriously, after seeing the team lineup, Ravi Bishnoi didn't play yesterday. Means Ravi Bishnoi didn't play and they are, instead of him, they replaced him with Ashwin. They have replaced him. Seriously. And people are giving excuses that left-handers are there. That's why Ravichandran Ashwin is playing. Okay, fine. If you want to play Ravichandran Ashwin, play him. But why you dropped Ravi Bishnoi, who among the two leg spinners, Chahal and Ravi Bishnoi was the superior bowler. Due to performance, due to merit basis, the selection is going on, or due to favoritism, the selection is going on. Serious question needs to be asked. On what basis the selection is going on? Serious question needs to be asked. And after getting dropped yesterday, what will be the confidence level of Ravi Bishnoi? Seriously, I can't imagine. इतने अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस देने के बाद, इतना हाई वोल्टेज मैच के बाद, इतना अच्छा शानदार परफॉर्मेंस देने के बाद, क्या बताएं आपको, ड्रॉप हो गया पूरा. That too, he bowled in the power play. He took a wicket of Babar Azam and he was about to change the game and take the wicket of Asif Ali if Arshdeep would have not dropped the catch. तो इतना अच्छा बॉलिंग प्रदर्शन के बाद भी अगर प्लेयर ड्रॉप हो रहा है तो किसी का भी पोजीशन सिक्योर नहीं है. ये टीम में किसी का भी पोजीशन सिक्योर नहीं है. कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है प्लेयर्स में. मतलब गया है पूरा. और दीपक हुडा का सिलेक्शन तो मैंने पीएचडी करना पड़ेगा, फिर भी समझ नहीं आएगा क्यों सिलेक्ट हुआ है. Not even a single over has been given to Deepak Huda. He's playing as a sixth bowler or as a specialist batsman, God only knows. So if he's playing as a specialist batsman, it's a wrong decision because Dinesh Karthik is 100 times better than Deepak Huda as a finisher. It's a wrong decision. And if he's playing as an off spinner, he didn't get a single over. That is also a blunder, embarrassing decision. Seriously. So what is his role in the team? God only knows. Seriously, that was an embarrassing decision. Seriously, means tempers. Means no fan or nobody who was supporting Team India yesterday can control their temper yesterday after seeing that decision by Deepak Huda's selection decision. Nobody can control, seriously. Not even a single over was given to him. And his batting performance also below average. First ball only was about to go. Then he's leaning the stumps, exposing the stumps, boom, out, back to the pavilion. तो ऐसा करके नहीं होता है. पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन है. 2 महीने बाकी है वर्ल्ड T20 में. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. कोई प्रिपरेशन ही नहीं हुआ है. 5 experimentation is going on or whatever is going on, it's all rubbish. That's it. 5 bowlers. And Hardik Pandya cannot be our top 5 bowlers. Seriously, he can be used as a 6th bowling option. He can be used as a 6th bowling option, not as a 5th bowling option. The team management should know that. In first match also, Hardik Pandya was used as a 6th bowling option. There Jadeja was there as a cover. Somehow Jadeja का दिन नहीं था, हार्दिक पांड्या का बॉलिंग चल गया, तो इसलिए उसको टीम मैनेजमेंट को लगा कि चलो अगली मैचेस को भी हार्दिक पांड्या को 5th बॉलर ऑप्शन में खेलते हैं. क्या बताएं आपको, क्या बताएं. He's not a 5th bowling option. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar also He is a brilliant swing bowler. In the first power play overs, he's a brilliant swing bowler, but the captain doesn't even have confidence to bowl him the first 3 overs. They are keeping 2 overs at the death and getting humiliated. First match against Pakistan also 19 runs he has given. Now he has given yesterday 14 runs against novice Sri Lanka. Against this Sri Lanka who has not even qualified for the World T20. Against this Sri Lanka who, other than Hasaranga and this Rajapakse, nobody plays in the IPL. No more selection dilemma is there. Rishabh Pant, seriously, God only knows. Seriously, what happens? He plays really well in ODIs and test matches, but can't convert his ODI and test matches form into T20s, which is perfect match for him, which is perfect, absolutely ideal for his playing style. Seriously, what happens? God only knows. First match against Pakistan, whatever he played there, reverse sweep he is playing. Seriously, such a good platform was there, such a good start the openers have given. He's such a good batsman. He can play with straight bat, he can play, and he's trying out reverse sweep and he's giving catch practice. Yesterday also, he saw that wicket is holding up a bit, play a little bit patience, go in for twos and threes, and last over we can target. But no, he went straight in for the shot. That do longer boundary he has targeted and he has got out. So seriously, what is going on? Really, what is going on? And keeping also yesterday stumping he has missed, and that last run out he has missed. So really, decision, what is his what is his contribution? God only knows. Seriously, in the T20s, whether he should be selected in the upcoming T20 World Cup, God only knows. That Ishan Kishan was there, another player, opening batsman was there. That KL Rahul is completely out of form. Completely total flop. That KL Rahul, I'm telling you, he's coming back from the injury, but he's going in straight into the 11. He's going in straight into the 11. I really don't understand. Against Hong Kong, embarrassing batting performance he has given, this KL Rahul, against Hong Kong. After that, he should have not played a single match, but he played another match, and he, against Pakistan, he played well, but yesterday again he got out. That he made that Tikshan or whatever that bowler is there, he made him into prime Muralitharan. He made him. Seriously. What to say यार, what to say. मतलब सिलेक्शंस में पूरा गलती है. बीसीसीआई कमिटी मेंबर सिलेक्टर्स में पूरा गलती है. पूरा सिस्टम में पूरा गलती है यार. The system is only not right. Then how you can blame one particular player or one particular this thing or anything? पूरा सिस्टम ही गलत है. पूरा जिस तरह से टीम इंडिया फंक्शन हो रहा है, इंडियन क्रिकेट अभी फंक्शन हो रहा है, जो टूर्नामेंट को प्रायोरिटी देनी चाहिए उसको प्रायोरिटी नहीं मिल रहा है, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट को प्रायोरिटीज नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप क्या बताएं? आपको क्या बताएं? बहुत बुरी हालत होने वाला है, बहुत बुरी हालत होने वाला है. सिर्फ आईपीएल जीपीएल झूमने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इंडियन क्रिकेट बहुत बुरी हालत में है अभी. मतलब प्रायोरिटी नहीं मिल रहा है ठीक से. सिर्फ आईपीएल चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. कोरबोलर वो जीत बोरे, कोरबोलर वो हार बोरे, हार सी बी, दुनिया हिला देंगे, लौड़ा हिला दिया कल, फिर विसल पोड़ू, मयूर पोड़ू, फिर कौन सा है सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद, मतलब क्या सनराइजर्स, मतलब मून राइजर्स पूरा हो गया कल. फिर कौन सा है हल्ला बोल, लौड़ा बोल, फिर कौन सा ये है, और दो टीम लगा दिया पूरा. Commonwealth Games means Commonwealth Games. Our women cricket team is playing Commonwealth Games. Such a good competition that Commonwealth game is. Seriously, for cricket point of view, see the countries that represents there: Australia, England, then which all Pakistan is there, Sri Lanka and Asian countries all are there in that one, and even Commonwealth countries are there. New Zealand is there, Australia is there, England is there. So our men's cricket team cannot play in the Commonwealth Games. Why ICC cannot conduct that Commonwealth Games tournament instead of IPL? God only knows. That is leave. Then since a long time, means during when we used to watch cricket, when there was no IPL or anything, there used to be triangular series. Means triangular series. 3 countries used to play a single series. Triangular series used to happen. वो नामो निशान नहीं है ट्रायंगुलर सीरीज का, नामो निशान नहीं है ट्रायंगुलर सीरीज का. एक भी ट्रायंगुलर सीरीज नहीं हो रहा है. और लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ओडीआई क्रिकेट इज डाइंग. अरे आप लोग इनिशिएटिव ही नहीं ले रहे हो ट्रायंगुलर सीरीज रखने से, या फिर कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स खेलने से कोई इनिशिएटिव ही नहीं रख रहे हो. सिर्फ आईपीएल करके लौड़ा चिल्ला रहे हो. तो फिर कैसे गेम बचेगा, कैसे क्रिकेट बचेगा? मतलब ये. और आईपीएल खेल के T20 फॉर्मेट खेल के भी इंडिया टीम T20 में कुछ उखाड़ नहीं पा रहा है. लास्ट 10 महीने पहले एम्बैरेस हो गया पूरा. न्यूजीलैंड के साथ बुरी तरह पिटा, पाकिस्तान के साथ बुरी तरह पिटा. इस एशिया कप में भी फाइनल नहीं खेल पा रहा है. श्रीलंका के साथ जो क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ उसके साथ पिट रहे हो. तो कुछ तो शर्म आनी चाहिए. कुछ तो अभी सोचना चाहिए. No, 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 no. Seriously, people have to take serious action. If now action is not taken seriously, then Indian cricket will be seriously doomed. I'm telling you.